Create a network cable. We have here materials needed in creating a network cabling. We have here number 1, cable. Number 2, a small scissor. Number 3, RG45. Number 4, crimping tool. Number 5, stripper. First, unroll the cable. Second, get the stripper. Then, remove the cover of the cable. Then, untwist. Second, remove the center part or the plastic cover. Then, untwist the 8 color of wire. Then, arrange the color like this. White, orange, orange. White, green. White, blue, green, and white, brown, brown. Then, to make it sure, straight it.
Dapat ako na lang nag-ano ng isda ng mama mo, yun na lang.
Then, next, get the cutter and then cut like this one. Then, make it sure that is truly straight. Then, get the RG45. Then, suck it. Make it sure that the 8 wire is fully sucked. Like this one. Then, get the crimping tool and then crimped.
Oh.
Then, crimped. Like that, this one. Then, check. Okay, this is on how to create a network cable. Like this one.